Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to create a splash screen in Android using Kotlin. Today I'm going to use multiple images that will show one after another using image switcher. Before creating our project, I want to show you how our output will be looking like. So here our splash screen, our images are come from left side and move out to right side. After finish this splash screen, our second activity will open. So let's start. Open your Android Studio, create new project, select empty activity, click on next. Name of your application. Here we choose language Kotlin and click on finish. First, we copy some images in drawable file that we will use in our splash screen. Here you can see in drawable file, I copied some images. Now open your layout, activity main.xml. Here I'm using relative layout. And add one image switcher. We use image switcher that allow you to move from one image to another image, and you can add some animation to your images. Now click on main activity. Here we access the image switcher from XML file. Now we set the image view to display the image. So for that we use set factory. Now we want to add animation in our splash screen. The image will move in from left side and move out from right side. So for that we use animation util class. Now we use in animation method, which is used to animate our splash screen. Now we use out animation method, which we are using when our images move out to the right side. Now we will be using handler post method since we want our splash screen to show up in current context itself. We want our splash screen change after a few seconds. So for that, we using countdown timer. Create one counter. Since we want to change our image after 4 seconds, so here I'm changing the timer from 8 to 12 seconds. On every tick on countdown timer, we'll increment our image counter and change our image accordingly. So when our countdown timer finish, we move to another activity. So for that, we create one more activity. Click on F, activity, and select empty activity. Name it second activity. Now click on my activity.second. Here we add one text view. Now run the project. Here you can see our splash screen. Images from move in from that side and move out to right side. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.